Hello everyone, this is me Abdul Hannan. Hope all of you are doing well and working on the Go High level. So I hope you like and watch my previous video that is on the new feature of the Go High level, that is AI Studio. Most powerful feature of the Go High level. You can definitely use it to optimize your workflow. And I hope you like and watch the complete video. And in today's video, we're going to see how you can clone any website inside Go High level. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And if you are new to Go High level and we want to learn the Go High level, I am also uploading the multiple videos on the Go High level on the funnel building. So follow me and subscribe the channel if you want to learn Go High level from the scratch. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Let's go to the computer screen. Okay, so this is a template that we are going to replicate inside the Go High level. So what you have to do, go to the Go High level and then navigate to the AI Studio. You'll also see how we can create cool project inside the Vibe Studio. This is our last project on which I give you the complete walkthrough of all the things what you have to do now. This website, this video, now this video is just for the education purpose of how you can clone client website inside the Go High level and attach automation and all the things. Okay, so copy this link and then go here and write the command like this to check the capability of the builder of the AI Studio. Like this is possible to clone any website inside the Go High level. Like clone this landing page exactly, make sure that match at least all the necessary things like content and like images, and we can also add the command like you can improve if you want anything, and you can also improve any things that needs to be changed. That's the only thing you have to enter in the prompt box, and just hit this button and wait for a few seconds. Your website is going to be ready in just few minutes. So okay, so yeah, that's takes some time to fetching the website details, the content, the color, the branding, the logo, each and everything. But make sure this is not takes more than 5 minutes. If this is a landing simple landing page, this can definitely create in just few minutes. Okay. Okay, so our website is ready and just we have to wait some minutes, and now you can see the result of this feature. This is exactly clone each and everything, and I think it can do better than Livable. Now you can imagine the power of the AI Studio. You can easily clone each and every website, and even you can improve the feature. And this is the website, our reference website, and this is what the AI Studio created. Now you can see the difference. We don't upload the logo, we don't upload any image, we don't upload any content. We just upload the link and set that clone this website. That sits, and the result is super duper amazing. You can see like effect, even the effect is exactly match. You can check the effect, and yeah, the AI Studio improved this feature because this is not inside the exact like the same, not the same, but this looks too much better. And now you can imagine the power of AI Studio. If you are new to Go High Level, you must use AI Studio feature for your client, for your leads. That will help you to gain more audience. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.